Some homes don't just sit quietly on a street. They stand with presence, with history, with a little rock and roll in their bones.
When I first pulled up and saw these 4 white columns, I swear my Elvis loving heart skipped a beat. There's a softness here.
A familiarity. Almost like a wink from Graceland itself. Inside, the updates bring calm and comfort. Built in the 1800s, this home has lived lifetimes. Outside, 2 ponds shimmer like little mirrors of the sky, presented anew for someone who loves history, charm, and a little soul in their space. Inviting, accessible, and absolutely waiting for someone who feels her magic. And if you're anything like me, you'll feel it the moment you walk in.